Want to learn new concepts and practice skills using Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra? Let me show you how to use the Learning Coach feature. First, open the Gemini app on your Samsung device. On the main screen, tap your profile picture in the top right corner. This will open your account menu. Tap Gem Manager. Now, find and select Learning Coach. Here, you'll see a description of this feature. Learning Coach helps you learn and practice new concepts by guiding you step by step. You'll also see a prompt where you can tell Gemini what you want to learn. For example, you can type a topic like basic algebra or how to improve my writing skills. Then tap Send. Gemini will guide you with explanations, examples, and practice steps to help you understand the topic better. This makes it easier to start learning something new and build your knowledge step by step. And that's how to use Learning Coach in Gemini on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra.